If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA. I am here with a quick put together tutorial for the Fairy Tale Club and her Spocktober event. You can check all of the links or the @ below in the description box in order to purchase this Spocktober paper. It's so pretty, and I showed you guys what the paper looked like in another video, so be sure to check that out. So what I'm going to do is make a milk carton and put some candy in it. So I have all of my elements here pulled out, so it may look messy on my desk, but I got this covered, trust me. So I have a file that I cut out on my silhouette, and I'm just going to add some acetate to this little milk carton because I want to do a shaker. And I'm wondering if I should use, instead of using this quick dry, I think it would be better if I use some double-sided tape instead for this. And it'll be quicker, and it's hidden. So normally I would use wet glue because it's a little less obvious that it's adhesive behind there. But for this item here, I can use double-sided tape because it's going to be on the inside. As long as you use a thin enough tape, you should be fine. As long as it all matches up, which it does. Yay. Get that seal on there really good because this is going to be a shaker, one of the elements that was included in the kit. And then I did a little bit of offsetting on the original file, and then I made a couple things. So I made this little window here, not window, this frame is what I mean to say. And this is my first time using this Beacon Quick Dry. So let's see, only because I left my little nozzle tip open when I last used it, and I have to find a thin enough pin to clear that. But let's see what you do here. That's cute. I like it. I like it. And this is the window. This is my first time actually cutting this template out, and there's no instructions on this. So I'm just guessing that you put together like this. Like I said, I'll leave the file down below, but like I said, you're gonna have to try to figure that out. And this probably goes like this, and then this is probably attached to the front like that. Good thing I know about SVG files and 3D projects, because honey, the way that this instruction is set up, if you knew, okay, you might have a little bit of time trying to figure it out. I should have plugged up my hot glue gun because, one, I'm impatient, and two, it's faster and I think a little bit more secure. So I also, while we're waiting for this, I also added some little strips for the top of this. I released this path and cut out this and offset it a little bit so we can have like a little topper there. All right, so what we can do though is go ahead and put these little things on, and hopefully the quick dry will work for this. Oops. And I'm just gonna go, if I did it right, it'll be a nice little offset. Yes. And then we'll do the other one here. Oh, she's crooked. Oh, good thing it's not so quick. Here we go. And this is I don't know about that glue. The jury is still out right now. It's a little drippy. A little too drippy for me. Okay. A little too loose. She out here loose now. Okay, so I cut out some rosettes, and this is a rosette file that I actually made. Go TMIKA. It took forever. It takes forever, but I did it. Excuse me. And I couldn't find a thin rosette, a thin designed, short, small rosette. I mean, everything that I had was chunky, or it was short and chunky, or it was short and straight, and I wanted just a cute little funky little design. So I made a rosette file, and that goes on top of there. All right, Miss Glue, show me what you got. So that's gonna go like this, and it's jagged on purpose because the ends are a little wonky. Oops. And that's how I created it. We don't do basic, honey. We don't do basic. All right, so that's that. And I got my bottom piece here. Add some glue. She's still percolating over here, but she'll do for now. Here we go. Let that sit for a second. And then I'm gonna grab some more glue on the top and put our friend up there. I made 4 of them. I get glue strings everywhere. That's what happens when you are impatient and the glue isn't all the way hot. I'm just gonna add pop dots to the back of that. Now I'm gonna grab some of this webbing, and I like the tiny ones. So for this project, I'm gonna add the little webs here for 2 of them. Already done one here. It's gonna go there, right in the center. Really cute. Boom. And then I'm gonna add a flare from Andrea's collection. And I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do Boo and let's do this candy corn. Okay. And then we're gonna add cute. I love the fact that they are flush. How cute is that? I hope I've been on frame this whole time. Trying to stay within this corner. That is so adorable. So cute. And then we're gonna do the same for this one. Put this in the center. Like that. Let's turn this around a little bit. Yes. So cute. I love it. And then for these 2, I'm gonna add some, where is it at? I'm gonna add some of crepe paper. So I'm just gonna cut off a length. Okay. I'm gonna take, I got some strips of paper here. I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna fold this crepe paper in half, and half, and half, and keep rolling it. And then I'm gonna cut it down the middle. So I need it to be thin. I'm gonna add some glue to this strip and put this at the tip. And then I'm just going to pinch this really tight, like so. Excuse me. It's a quick trick to pleat. You just want to do a little bit at a time so you can catch the glue dry. you go. Cut this off, and then cut that end off, and kind of cut this in half. We only need 2, and we don't need them to be very long. So I'm just gonna cut it down a bit. Cut this one down right there. Okay. We're gonna add some glue there, and some glue here. Add some die cuts. Might as well just pull all these little die cuts out from the pack here. Okay. And I'm gonna add this on top. How cute! And then I'm gonna add ink first. Let's put a pop dot on here. And then I'm also going to add a little glue to the bottom. Since it's not on a flush surface, so I'm going to add ink right there. Very cute. Ooh, I even could have did pink. And then spooky. Add a little glue. Look how cute that is. Look how cute those candies are. Ah, all right, smooth that away for a second. We're gonna go back. I'm just gonna go back and fill in my gaps that I need for this. I'm going to, before I do that, I'm gonna add a little dangle. Let's do this cute little pumpkin. It's asking to be used. And I'm gonna grab a little tiny eyelet. I need to get some more of these in some colors that I normally use, but I might as well use those up. And I'm gonna use my crocodile here. Push this eyelet through. Do that. And then, since we're using a little bit of gold, I'm gonna use a little, what do you call these? Jump ring in gold. How are we gonna do that? Oh, I have to drill. I don't have any long, what do you call that? I need to be able to drill a hole, basically. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy drill. And I'm gonna put a little hole. Let's see where we're gonna put that. Right there. And close it. She's cute though. She's cute though. I'm gonna put this on this window and smash that in like so. I'm gonna do that with hot glue. All right, we'll do this side. I'm gonna do this side and the bottom since we know what's happening right now. Boom and boom. Okay, and then we have the sequin mix. And we're gonna add in here just a little bit. It's not dropping out, so don't, it's a tight spot. I'm not putting all of it in there. Just sounds like a lot. How cute! I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, and then we're gonna close the gap here with that. How cute. So adorable. And then I'm going to add, whoa there. I'm gonna add some little candies on here. And then I'm gonna add this from the sticker pack. Where are we good here? There we go. You can also use the back too, like this is a 2-in-1. And I'm gonna add the word spooky sticker. But first, let me grab a little piece of scrap paper here. You know what? I might use this gold here. And then kind of outline this around that. Spooky is as spooky does. Put it right there. That is too cute. All right, now we could just put this all together by folding up all of these little perforated marks. Now we can, I'm gonna add some hot glue. Give it a little bit extra squeeze so it'll take a little bit longer to dry while I line everything up. Let's get this on here. Right down there. And fold this in. Ah, how stinking cute is that? And then now we can add our little boo treats. This is pretty deep. We can even add a little bit more in here. Our boo treats. And then we can a little paper there, and we have our little milk carton. I'm going to add a repositionable sticker, repositionable glue dot in the middle, and line it up like so. So cute. It's so pretty. So adorable. And there is your Scrappy milk box with your Scrappy candy for Spocktober. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. Like the video and let me know what you think. And be sure to check out Andrea's website, the Fairy Tale Club, where you can find all the delicious goodies that I used in this video today and much more. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.